I'm going to use 2 different types of masking tape to caulk this countertop. I'll be using this yellow frog tape on the freshly painted walls and this blue tape on the countertop itself. I like to cut a nice clean edge when starting in the corner. You see, this blue tape is more stickier than the yellow tape. Since this is a quartz countertop, I'm not worried about how sticky it is. You could probably use any type of masking tape here. I just prefer to use the blue because it's my favorite color. I'm going to put the tape on the countertop and the backsplash, leaving about a 1/4 inch reveal on both sides. And I'll do the same thing on the top of the backsplash. So now I'm going to use the delicate surface yellow tape. I painted these walls yesterday, so I need to be very cautious when removing this tape. I really only press it on at the bottom edge where I'll be caulking. Sometimes it can be tricky to get this tape placed perfectly in a straight line, so take your time. So now that I got everything all taped off, it's time for the caulk. I found this random tube of silicone in the van, so that's what I'm going to use. These blue exam gloves that I swiped from a hospital work really great for this. Just put that caulk in the caulk gun and we're ready to roll. You don't need to be neat or anything with this. That's the whole reason for the tape. See, they got all kinds of gadgets and things out there, but when I'm working in somebody's house in an expensive bathroom remodel, I can't be playing games guessing if my caulk job's going to be good or not. I got to get it right the first time and move on to the next job. Here's one of the main reasons I tape off the countertop, because trying to caulk behind a faucet like this is very difficult. If I didn't have this tape here, I'd be making a huge mess right now trying to get a nice bead of caulk in there. And this is where I say, they sell those gadgets to smooth out caulk and all this stuff, but I don't have time to gamble on the final step of somebody's bathroom remodel. So now that we got it all caulked, I go ahead and pull off this yellow tape very slowly. And I can pull off the blue tape as fast as I want, but I am careful because it is covered in silicone and I don't want to get it on their faucet or the walls or anywhere else in their new bathroom. So there you have it. You got a nice clean bead of silicone there, no mess. Looks like a pro did it.